So what we got going on, Randy?
Oh, we just gotta push the car out to get parts out. See what we're missing.
Spare parts?
Lots of spare parts.
Okay.
You know, change is coming. Change is coming.
Before we get into that, let's see how we got here. So there's this old man, if you will. I believe his name's Gil or Phil, something along those lines. He's really been beating up on cars here lately, and we're here to put a stop to it. We have got a whole shit ton of parts here, so we can put this little blower. Introducing the Gapaboo 3000 on this car. Put a monster pump on this thing. Hold that.
Yeah.
This is some sketchy shit happening. And you like buzz your arm off or something, it'd be good content. I mean, don't do it, but I mean, if you do, I won't be mad.
Can you pull tight on that side?
Yeah.
We'll have to flush that line out.
Yeah. So what's the deal with this thing?
It should be a little bit faster now.
It's gonna be just as slow.
It's probably gonna be just.
But does the alternator and everything gotta move?
Alternator is gonna go low.
Yeah, it's gonna go down.
That's gonna make sure we're gonna have room.
If not, we'll have to rig up another bracket or something.
Gotta be careful how much we cut out of this car. Well, it's still be somewhat
Whoa.
structurally
Yeah,
sound.
this thing. Whew.
Oh, that fan's gonna be in the way.
4.
I mean, it's fun. Well, it should
Taking
be.
the alternator off.
No,
taking the
just
water
when we put all the new shit on it.
Well, that's gonna eliminate a lot of that. It should create more space.
Yeah, it'll have an electric pump, so.
Well, what do we need to do? Drain antifreeze?
We gotta drain antifreeze, and we're gonna have to change this upper radiator hose because it's gonna be in the way.
So we want to talk to people and tell them what we're doing exactly, or
All right,
what this is.
So this is what we're gonna do. We got a small block 400. What's gonna go on spray? Cut.
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 Bullshit. down to 2 viewers now.
No, 7.2 are women.
Oh, so you're a sex symbol.
So I'm pretty much a sex symbol now.
Ladies, you're welcome.
Gonna have calendars out soon.
Just in case you want to do any Christmas shopping.
Get your mom something. Yeah.
Only if you hate her.
So pretty much fuck this supercharger.
Yeah, it's been fun.
It's not even a supercharger. It's a fucking stupid ass water pump. We even had old Gimp hand over here working on it.
Dan,
What happened?
it smells like yellow baby shit in a diaper. Like when they shit up their back.
Come on, let me get some. Come on, get some.
There's something fucking wrong with your husband.
Oh, you got one of the smells?
It smells like baby shit. Like when they shit all the way up their back.
That has a different smell than them not shitting at the back? You get used to it after 20 years.
No, you can't get used to that.
It wasn't that bad.
It wasn't good.
You find one?
I was looking, dude. I didn't find that fitting.
What's wrong?
Your freaking inside. That's what's wrong.
It's not that bad, Brandy.
Not good.
You know what caused it? That caused it.
You were doing it before that.
What's wrong, Randy?
Nothing right now. Your ass was the problem.
Well, I didn't do nothing.
Yeah, you did.
You're accusing me of stuff.
No, I was there.
Look at them cam bearings. Oof. Well, that's actually pretty good.
Send it.
Yeah.
Just don't look at them. They're fine.
Let her eat. A lot going on in there.
Yeah.
Spare for the Mustang. Well, I guess it's not a spare right now.
Yeah.
It's going to have to be the main deal.
Yeah.
Kind of did a little melting of number 8. Whatever.
Number 8 just had enough of you guys' crap.
So hopefully we get this thing done this week. Tested this week.
Doubt it.
Send this bitch this week. What do you think?
Trying to.
Possibly.
What do you think?
No.
No. Hey Randy, go fuck yourself.
Thanks, pal. And you have a great evening.